And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for, the very thing that separates PACKTALK from the rest of the pack, the group intercom. Back in 2004, we pioneered the motorcycle Bluetooth market with Scala Rider. We learned a lot during those years, and one of the things we learned was that Bluetooth is limited. So in 2015, we decided to reinvent the market once more and introduced DMC, Dynamic Mesh Communication. Simply put, DMC-powered PACKTALK Bold makes Bluetooth frustrations a thing of the past. Just connect it once and forget about it. PACKTALK Bold will do the rest for you. And don't worry about other Bluetooth devices of any brand. PACKTALK will connect with them as well. Now, let's make some connections. We will use 4 PACKTALKs for this example. It's the exact same process for 2, 3, or 15 devices. Make sure your PACKTALK flash green. This means they are in DMC mode. We will explain more about this later. To set a group intercom, press the intercom button on all the group devices for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. All devices flashing? Good. Now, press the intercom button once on one of the devices, which will now act as the group admin. Wait a few seconds for all the devices to connect.
Grouping success.
And that's it. Really, that's it. It will stay connected during the day, and it will stay connected when you power the unit back on the following day, the following week, or the following year. Now, let's say you want to change the group, perhaps add a few members. No problem. Remember that admin unit? Activate grouping on both the new unit and the admin by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. When grouping mode is activated, press the intercom button only on the admin unit. Wait a few seconds for the 2 units to group. Congratulations, you just increased your group from 4 to 5. DMC is not an exclusive club. You can also bridge Bluetooth units into the DMC party. Let's see how. First step, pair the Bluetooth unit to your PACKTALK Bold. Switch your PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode by pressing the intercom and phone buttons together. Please, make sure music streaming is turned off before switching modes. This unit should now flash blue, meaning it is in Bluetooth mode. Activate Bluetooth pairing by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. Activate the other unit's Bluetooth pairing and let them pair. PACKTALK has universal pairing, which means you can pair it with any Bluetooth headset of any brand. More on universal pairing later on. Good. The 2 units are now paired in Bluetooth. Toggle PACKTALK back to DMC mode by pressing the intercom and phone buttons together. Make sure the indicator light switches from blue to green. Back in a DMC group intercom, click on that intercom button and your preset Bluetooth bridge is now a part of the party. Please note that a bridged unit needs to be in close proximity. Bridging works best in a rider-to-passenger scenario. Let's say you meet your friends and discover you're the only one with a DMC-powered device. Not to worry. PACKTALK also acts as a fully blown Bluetooth intercom. Let's see how. Toggle PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode. Don't forget to check indicator light turns blue.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Your PACKTALK is now a Bluetooth intercom unit. Press the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep to start mobile pairing on channel 1. Activate Bluetooth intercom pairing on the other device and let the 2 pair.
Paired successfully.
When paired, press the intercom button to open an intercom channel and again to close it. To pair another Bluetooth device on channel 2, open the second channel pairing by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep, and then double tap the intercom button to activate second channel pairing. Activate Bluetooth intercom pairing on the other device and let the 2 pair.
Paired successfully.
When paired, double-click the intercom button to open an intercom channel and double-tap again to close it. You can of course add more devices in this fashion, creating a long Bluetooth daisy chain. If you'd like to learn more about this, watch our 4-way Bluetooth pairing video on the Cardo channel. Please note that this type of Bluetooth connection also applies for non-Cardo Bluetooth intercoms. For universal pairing, watch the universal pairing tutorial at the end of this video. PACKTALK is equipped with universal connectivity, which means it can connect to any one of these brands. Let's see how. To activate universal pairing, start by switching your PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Then activate Bluetooth pairing and hit the phone button.
Cardo gateway pairing.
On whichever non-Cardo device you use, start mobile phone pairing. This way you can pair a Sina,
Paired successfully.
or an Interphone,
Paired successfully.
or a Uclear,
Paired successfully.
or any other brand you choose to use. That's it for now. To make the most out of your PACKTALK Bold, grab the pocket guide and look inside.